Good morning. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tempest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the Christian gang. And welcome back to Vlogmas day 10. We made it all the way through 10 days. I'm doing good so far, y'all. Hey y'all. So I am up and I'm about to whip up some breakfast for me and Brian. The kid is still gone, but first I'm about to make me some coffee, and then I'm gonna whip up some breakfast. I saved my Starbucks cup from yesterday. Yeah, smart thinking, y'all. Smart thinking. So I'm gonna make us some breakfast and then we gotta start getting ready. Well, it's 10 o'clock. What time is it? I think it's 10 in the morning. It's 10 o'clock. Let me see. Yes, ooh, it's 10 o'clock. It's after 10 o'clock. And we need to be out this house probably by 12:15. So we got about 2 hours. 12:15. So, but I'm only doing some bacon, eggs, and some little Eggo waffles. So that shouldn't be much to it. Oh, I ain't got no bra on, y'all. Sorry. These boobs too big tonight. No bra on. Whew. Well, I'm gonna make me some coffee. I got like 4 stomachs down. Let me get me some ice. I got the sugar cookie. God, we ain't got no garbage bag. Girl, make that coffee at home. Let's see how she tastes. So good. Super good. It tastes better than that sugar cookie I had yesterday. Now I gotta find me some pans so we can whip up some breakfast right quick. About to make some bacon. Guess what else I forgot, y'all? I forgot some oil. I didn't get no butter. The eggs gonna stick to the pan. So good. I'm about to see how these eggs turn out because not having the right sauce, I don't know. Really all you need is black pepper, but you need a little salt. I want to put a little Cajun seasoning to give it that salt. I ain't never had no Cajun seasoning in my eggs. This is crazy. Lord, pray for us. phone call about my son missing school, and I brought up 2 letters. So I was trying to figure out, did y'all receive them or what's going on, because I'm like a lot calling Brian Christian. All right, y'all, so I have pressed out my hair, well, flat ironed it so it can look a little straight, and I'm putting on a hat, but yeah, it looks better. What I thinking about wearing today, I think I'm gonna put on the cheetah print pants today with my hat and my sambas. I want to get cute, I think. And I got my Lions t-shirt. Well, my t-shirt I made, but I think I'm going to wear that for the last game. Because I want to save it for if we go to the championship or for the last game. I'm out of breath. Hold on. Jesus Christ. I should not be this out of shape. But yeah, so I think I want to save my t-shirt for the last game, and because I only brought 1 t-shirt, it was crazy. And I want to get cute today, do some content. I want to make a TikTok, and I want to take some pictures. So yeah, I think that's what I'm about to put on. So yeah, and I got this white t-shirt. I think I need to iron it though, so I think I'm about to iron that. It's supposed to be 80 degrees though, that's the only thing. But these pants are thin, so I think I should be okay. I hope it come out how I'm envisioning it, because if it don't come out and I don't like it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm about to probably iron my shirts, and then I'll be back probably once I put my clothes on. This is the fit. I need some more light in here. I think it's cute. Very cutesy and, you know, a little simple outfit. I'm bunning up my hair. I didn't like how the ponytail was looking, but it looked cute a little bit. Thank you, Portia. This is just so cute. Look how that takes the fit. This is what brought the fit out. Cause how freaking cute. All right, let me take my pictures and stuff. And I'm doing this purse with, let me see, this, y'all seen it yesterday. I can see it don't be focusing. Here we go. So yeah, I'm about to take my pictures, and then Brian should be ready to leave out. Hopefully I can get some more light in this house, because the picture's not gonna give right here. I might have to take them in the hallway. That's what I might have to do. Y'all, look. cute. Ice water. Stay hydrated. We are in the car, about to head to the game, y'all. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we have made it. Oh my god, why is it so dark? So dark. We made it. I'm just sitting in the car. Brian walked over to the field. I got my little band on. So yeah, just waiting on him to come back, and then I'll go in. We got a good little parking spot though today. So where we parked at, we'll be able to just pull right out and then go that way. So it's a good little parking spot. Oh, and I brought my cup back because we get refills on the lemonade. But basically, I think a regular lemonade be $8. I think it's $8. Is it $8 or $6? It's either 8 or 6, and then if you bring your cup back, you get it for $4. So I brought the cup, so I'm about to put it in the bag because that's going in with me. I need that lemonade. That lemonade be so good. But I'm about to just wait till they come back, and then I head in. It's like almost 1:15, so they usually head in about 1:15, and the game don't start till 1:45. So yeah, I hope they win though. I really hope they win, because then we'll go to the championship. But then the championship they don't play again till the weekend when they get to play in the championship. If they lose, they play Friday. So yeah, that's how our day going so far. But I'll hit y'all back up. I'll hit y'all up in a little bit. Oh, that's that same man I seen yesterday. Oh, this man, that's the same man I seen. I mean, not yesterday, but I seen him on Sunday. He was over there watching our team, and I guess they won the championship last year. So he was over there talking our heads off, like, yeah, we can't wait to see y'all at the championship Saturday. Y'all got a good team. They said they've been watching our team for a while, but I'm like, we didn't even used to be the Lions, so I don't know like if he knew we switched over or not, because we used to be the Packers and we switched over to the Lions. This is, I think, our first year. We switched over to the Lions last year. So wait, this year. So I don't know. But he said they've been watching us for a while, and they got a really good team, and they can't wait to meet us in the championship. So we gonna see. We gonna see about that. But alright, done yapping. About to head in a minute. We going to the ship. Free. Congratulations. How does it feel to be going to the championship? How does it feel to be going to the championship? How does it feel to be going to the championship? How does it feel? How does it feel? How does it feel? A million of the sheriffs out here. They bus was doing damage. Huh? Ooh. Ooh, shoot. It's not about to stand a chance. Hey y'all, it is later in the day. I never checked back in or anything. I literally just pulled up to the gas station. I'm at Wawa. Have y'all ever been to that gas station? Everybody always be hyping it up like on TikTok and stuff, but I never been. And I was probably about to go in there. I know they've been talking about the coffees and stuff. The coffee, I think it's like an eggnog, but I ain't getting that. It's like late in the day, so I'm not about to get no coffee this late. But since I was passing one, I was like, let me stop here and see what they be talking about in here. So I'm probably about to just go in there and give me something to drink. I don't know. But yeah, it's later in the day. I haven't been doing anything. I was laying down. I took a nap. Yeah, the boys irritated me. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to take a ride by myself. A week vacation with them be just annoying. Annoying. I don't even know where to start. But yeah, I'm not doing nothing. That's why I didn't. So I didn't upload this video today because really, like, it wasn't a lot in this video just yet. So I was like, I'm gonna carry it on till tomorrow just to see if something else pop off that I can put in the video, because it wasn't. I only had the game in there, and then I had, you know, when I got dressed, and also, what else? Me making breakfast this morning. So I was like, oh, that ain't nothing. I need some excitement, you know? So, yeah, it wasn't nothing to put in the video. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to keep vlogging. But I just put up this Wawa. I'm about to probably go inside. So let's go see what they talking about. Good ice. So yeah, I just got me a little snack. I got me some caramel corn too. I wish I'm gonna have to come back and get me some coffee. They got all flavors, like really good flavors. I'm excited. Like one side it got like all like the cappuccinos and all that type of stuff. And they got some good stuff. Now I'm just sitting at this gas. What y'all think about me doing a Q&A? What's some things y'all want to know about me? I'm thinking about doing one. So I'm going to put it on here. Probably in the community tab where you can write me and let me know what y'all want to know. I'm not doing a little sip of wine with a little Q&A going. Let me know what y'all think.
Because we gotta give a grown-up gift for baby. No, grown-up gift, man and women. We gotta get a kid.
So why is a snowsuit in your car? It's a lot more older kids than babies.
Because I was thinking about getting it. I ain't gonna lie. No. But I ain't.
You are true. You talk so much junk.
I'm not going out my way, but I will get the.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another day. Y'all, today is today is Wednesday. Happy Vlogmas Day 11.
You don't need to come home with.
I just pulled up to UPS. I got to print out some of BJ's homework. So yeah, we about to go into this UPS so I can print that out, and then I don't know where else the wind blowing me. I gotta hang up on my mama because she yapping. She a talker. So I'll be back as soon as we done talking, and then we'll go from there on what I'm about to do. Yep, we not about to miss out on no homework while he's out of town for a whole week. He got 19 pages to do. He about to be back. Hey y'all, I just dropped that homework back off to him. Don't mind me today. I've been like not in the mood to even vlog, like just not in the mood for real. I've been in the bed all morning. It's 12:30 now in the afternoon. We were supposed to go somewhere last night, but ended up not making that. So yeah, I just been like blah, in a blah mood. But I'm currently on my way to Target. Now let me see what they Target's hitting on. But I want to go there. I'm looking for something, so I want to go there and see if they got it here. So yeah, that's where we're headed. I'm just hating how like ugly it look out though. But we'll see y'all when we get there. Okay y'all, so everything is like in this little plaza. So we're gonna go to TJ Maxx first. It's a rack room shoes right there, and then it's an Ulta right there. The Target is down that way, but I'm gonna try here first, so let's go in. It's no big cup section, like not so whatever. No really cute ones either. This one is kind of cute, but I don't know. Not like how we see where I'm at. Whack. They go from one holiday to the next. Valentine's Day stuff already out. Very cutesy though. I love it. Oh, I love this glass. I mean, what is it? Like, what you put in it? Do you put something to drink in it? I don't know. Oh, this is so pretty. How cute is this? And they got some slippers over there to match them. This is so cute. I'm getting these. So cute. And then look at the slippers. Perfect. They are at TJ Maxx. This is perfect for what y'all need to dermaplane your face. So you ain't got to keep buying the razors over and over. Okay, I lied. I'm not getting out in this. I don't know. I might have to catch Target on another trip. I'm not getting out in this. And she just walking with no, she don't give a damn. Hey y'all, so I just left out of TJ Maxx. Drive down to Target and it decides to pour down raining, so I'm really just waiting in the car. All I got out of TJ Maxx, they didn't really have no good like stuff, like, because I feel like they have all this Valentine's Day stuff out so early. Like, can we make it to Christmas? Christmas not even, like the ones where I'm at, like in Memphis, like I haven't seen no Valentine's Day stuff. I ain't been in a few weeks, but a couple weeks. But no Valentine's Day stuff out, so I feel like they don't have a lot of Christmas stuff either. So I just got the pajamas that I showed y'all. And I also got this from there. So I'm thinking about doing a little self-care night. Okay. Is that what it giving? A girly self-care, Christmassy. I thought this was really cute. Like, it's a face mask, but it got like Christmas stuff on there. With the little bow pajamas. I might do a little self-care. Okay. I need a candle. I'm doing too much. I need a little candle. So, oh, I should see if I can find a candle in Target. A candle, and I need like some winter scents or something. That's what I might. That might be a Vlogmas vlog. That might be really cute while I'm here before I leave. Since we don't really have much going on the next couple of days, we have not noticed we ain't been doing much. I do want to go to the pool before I go. I have not been to the pool yet, which is crazy. Because now the days, it's going to be like cool. Like it's going to be cool tomorrow. So I probably won't be able to go to the pool till like Saturday. But then it's like if they win the championship, they're going to want to celebrate. So then I'm still not going to be able to go to the pool. So I got to figure out a day to go to the pool. I might go Friday. I might make it mine to go over there Friday. Get in, dip my feet in the sun, you know. You in Florida, like, you ain't been doing nothing. Baby, that's why I've been so blah about vlogging for real. Because when we come here, we always like on the go. We always on the go. So this time I feel like we was just more relaxed. Didn't want to do too much. We got our hookah. Is, you know, we good at the house. Like usually we be always out. Like I usually go try to visit my family. Because if y'all didn't know, my family is in Florida, my mom's side. So every time I come, I usually like go with them like a few days, or I go over to their house, something. But we usually stay closer to them. This time we're kind of like further, so I have not seen them since I've been here. So I'm either doing that, or we doing something like we go to Universal Studios, we go out somewhere to somewhere, just somewhere. This time it's like more relaxed. We just chilling, vibing out. DJ had 2 games so far. He got 1 more. So yeah, we just been chilling for real. Like, so it wasn't much to like, you know, vlog for real. Like I'm vlogging the same stuff every day. But it's just still pouring down. Y'all can hear it. I'm about to get out of here though. I'm gonna just put this over my head, and we about to run in Target. The rain messing up my shopping trip. Like it's pouring. I'm not getting out. Far from the door, like to even run. I don't know. Doug got these winter scents, but I don't see them anywhere. I don't know. Maybe it's in another area. So these the only winter scents Dove have. This one stinks very bad. This one smells good. But I think I'm gonna go with the sugar cookie. This one smells amazing. How you know you're in Florida? Swim stuff is everywhere. Disney stuff. All this Disney stuff. Aww. Now I want to go to Disney. Look at the little ears. A whole liquor store in Target. Wow. How stinking cute. Aww. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. How cute is this? It's a camera. The main reason why I came to Target looking for it. I had ordered it when I ordered my slippers, but they canceled it because it was sold out. So I found it. Can't wait to hang it on my tree. That costs too much money. That's why I stay in a house, baby. Hey y'all, so I don't know if I mentioned to y'all that I made it back home. I'm back home, and I don't even think I showed y'all what I got from Target. But I got some sugar cookie. I got the body wash from the Native brand. I got, what else? Oh, I got the ornament that I can't wait to use when I get, well, I'm gonna hang it up when I get home. That might be it. And I got groceries. Well, just a couple things that we needed, like some juice. We needed some dishwashing liquid. We needed some trash bags. I got the body wash. I got the ornament. I feel like I'm missing some. Oh, I got me some wine. I think that might be it, though. So that's all I end up getting from Target. And then I end up coming home. I actually think I'm about to take a nap because I am tired. I woke up early this morning. Brian in the living room taking a nap. BJ back in his room. So I think I'm about to doze off too. And I'm also going to probably close out this video so I can get it uploaded. I might try to upload it before I even take my nap. So I can get y'all uploaded. And yeah, we're going to see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoying Vlogmas. Us being in Florida. So yeah, we're gonna see y'all tomorrow, and stay tuned for everything we have coming. Peace out. Oops, sorry. Peace out.